प्रार्थना श्लोकेन आरम्भं कुर्मः। ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। So last class we saw this table, Mahoday. Do you remember this?
Yes, I'm just trying to access that. Yeah.
That is the table. This one. So this is Akaranta Pullinga table. Ramaha Rama.
I'm just trying to open it so that we are on the same page. Yes, tell me.
No, but you can see now.
Yes, I can see. Yes.
So Ramaha Ramo Ramaha. Then Sambodhana is He Rama Ramo Ramaha. Then Dvitiya is Ramam Ramo Raman. Tritiya is Ramena. Chaturthi Ramaya. Panchami Ramat. Shashti Ramasya. Saptami Ramen. So each of what does each of these represent? We discussed a couple of classes back. So Ramaha, the first Pratama Vibhakti is when you are the Karta, when Rama is the Karta. Rama does something. Then we say, we use the Pratama Vibhakti. Dvitiya is when Ramam is the object. So Sita sees Rama, then it becomes Sita Ramam Pashyati. Or if Sita sees many Ramas, it's Sita Raman Pashyati. Tritiya Vibhakti shows the Karanam, the instrument. So if I say I eat with my hand, Hastena Kadami. I don't say Hastaha Kadami. I say Hastena Kadami. That is Tritiya. Chaturthi is Ramaya. What is Chaturthi? Chaturthi is for giving. Today, in today's class, we are going to learn Chaturthi Vibhakti. Okay. Panchami is from. Suppose you get something from somebody. Whenever the preposition from is used, you use the Panchami Vibhakti. Sashti is the relationship, Sambandha. Astu. And Saptami is the location or time. This we have seen multiple times. Chaturthi is what we are going to learn today. This is the table for Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. This is for Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. It's something we have to remember. So today's class, we are going to learn Kasmai, for whom. That is the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Bhavati Patatu?
Janani balakaya dugdham anayati. Mother brings milk for the boy.
So it is for the boy. Whenever the preposition for is used in English, we use the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Not always. There is some few exceptions, but most of the times.
Okay. Just a minute. Then I'll read the second one also.
Yeah. Nobody else is there, no?
Shabari Ramaya Phalam Dadati. Shabari gives fruit for Rama.
For or to Rama.
To Rama, okay.
But in regional languages, we would say for Rama. It would come that way. Ramko, we'll say, no?
Ramako. Right.
So in that places, we use the Chaturthi Vibhakti.
Right. Then it is Dhanikaha Bhikshukaya Nanakam Yachati. The rich person gives a coin for the beggar.
So all this is just Akaranta Pullinga Shabda, like Rama Shabda. So that's why it is Ramaya, Bhikshukaya, Balakaya. But if you have Hari Shabda, what kind of a Shabda is it?
Ikaranta pullinga.
Ikaranta Pullinga. So there we cannot say Haraya. It will be Haraye.
Haraye. Okay.
So if Shabari gives fruit to Hari, then it will be Shabari Haraye Palam Dadati. Like that.
Okay.
Suppose it is the Ukaranta Pullinga Shabda, for example, Guru. So then it will be Shabari Gurave Palam Dadati.
Just a minute. I'm just switching. Okay. Thank you.
Recording in progress.
Sorry about that. I just joined from my phone, so I just had to switch.
Okay. No, I can wait until you are
Yeah, now I'm good. Oh my God, there's a background here.
nice. So what was I saying? Yeah. So we say no. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave
Gurave
Namah.
Namah.
That is Chaturthi Vibhakti there. Where we say, for that Guru, I prostrate. Gurave Namaha. In temples, when they do Archana, how do they do it? Like for in Vishnu temples? I don't know how. Here in these temples, they say Ramaya Namaha, Govindaya Namaha, Keshavaya Namaha,
Yes.
Gopalaya Namaha. So that is Chaturthi Vibhakti. Aya.
Okay.
Why is it not going to the next screen? Go. God, what happened? So Balakaha has become Balakaya. Bhikshukaha has become Bhikshukaya. Rama has become Ramaya. This is for whom? Tasmai means for whom? That is the question you will ask. So there's a small abhyasaha. We have to make sentences. So for example, Ramaha Bharataya Padukaha Dadati. So Rama gives his Padukas to Bharata, for Bharata, like that. So Ramaha Bharataya Padukaha Dadati. Can you
Okay.
form some?
So this will be Grahakaha Apanikaya Upanetram Dadati.
Usually, I think Grahaka is customer, right? So he must be giving money to the shopkeeper.
Money, right? Okay. Dhanam yachati.
So
So
Grahaka.
Grahakaha. Sorry.
Go ahead.
Grahakaha Apanikaya Dhanam yachati. Aham. One minute. Vruddhaya. Aushadam yachati will do.
No, because I have said this. Remember, aham comes means
Aham means I have to end in me. Jalam anayami. Right.
Yeah.
So aham vruddhaya jalam anayami.
Submit. You can say Vruddhaya Jalam Anayami or anybody.
Jalam.
Janakaya for the father.
Correct.
I think everything fits. Okay, then Bhavati is you to a
You,
lady.
right.
Respect.
So Bhavati Bhikshukaya Dhanam yachati. Is that okay?
When Bhavati, Bhavan or Bhavati comes, the verb ends with tu.
But annam dadatu.
So okay. Bhavati, you give food to whom is the question?
Right. So Bhavati Bhikshukaya annam dadatu.
Samyak.
Then Balika. So this will end with the T, right? Yeah, because she would be we are referring to her or she. So Balika,
Hmm.
uh,
So Dhanam Yachati is over. Upanetram Dadati is left.
left, right. Or even Aushadam Yachati is also left, right?
Aushadam, but then the next word is doctor.
Vaidya. Okay, Vaidya. So Balika, then what will it be?
So
Janakaha,
Balika, correct.
Janakaya,
Balika. Hmm.
Janakaya Upanetram Dadati.
Yeah, so she brings, gives
Spectacles.
the glasses to her father.
Father. And Vaidyaha
Hmm.
Rugnaya,
Hmm.
okay, Aushadham Yachati.
Yes, Samyak. So what is the question we will ask? Kasmai.
Kasmai.
What is it?
Janani Kasmai Dugdham Anayati. Janani Balakaya Dugdham Anayati.
Hmm.
Shabari Kasmai Phalam Dadati.
Hmm.
Shabari Ramaya Phalam Dadati.
Hmm.
Okay. धनिकः कस्मै नाणकं यच्छति
Hmm.
धनिकः भिक्षुकाय नाणकं यच्छति.
So because for Chaturthi Vibhakti, the question has to be Kasmai.
Kasmai.
Hmm.
And for the previous one, what was the question that we were asking?
For
For
which
last
Vibhakti?
time? Last time we...
We will see for all Vibhaktis what we saw. What is the question?
Okay.
Now, so now we go to Akaranta Strilinga Shabda like Sita. So here the question will be Kasyai. If you are asking a girl, for whom?
जनकः बालिकायै
Hmm.
सङ्गणकं क्रीणाति.
Hmm.
Father buys a computer for daughter.
Hmm.
Sakhi mahilayai chhatram yachati.
Hmm.
So friend gives umbrella for women, for a woman.
Hmm.
Putraha jananyai pushpam dadati.
Hmm.
The son gives a flower for mother. Okay. Or to the mother also will do, right?
Yes.
Okay. Shivaha.
Hmm. No. In while we speak in regional languages, so then we say no. That time it will come for only two. It will not come. That's the thing.
Shivaha parvatyai upadesham dadati. So Shiva gives Updesha for Parvati.
So this is in temples when there is an archana for a female deity, it goes Lakshmiyai Namaha, Sitayai Namaha. That is Yai is because for her, because it's an Akaranta Srilingam. Here also Ikaranta Durgayai, correct. Durgayai Namaha. Like that. Here Ikaranta Strilingam is there. Can you see? Janani has become Parvati. So what has happened? E has gone and Yai is added.
Right.
Whereas in Mahila, that A is still there. Only Yai is added. But in Janani, E is removed. And Yai
Correct.
is...
So Mala Yai it will be.
Mala Yai.
Right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Balika yai, mahila yai, janani jananyai, parvati parvatyai.
So what will Nadi be?
Nadyai.
Nadyai, yes. So similar example. Bhavan. So Bhavan is you, right? So whenever Bhavan is there, what ending should be there? Should be two. So there's only one two. Pushpani Krina.
So Bhavan. Okay, so Patni will go there, I think. Bhavan Patnyai Pushpani Krinatu.
Yeah, Bhavan Patni. Yeah, okay. You can say that. Yeah, that makes sense.
Right, because nothing else can fit there, no? Other than Patni.
Devi is Devi. Yeah, you can say that also. Everything.
Oh, Bhavan Bhaginyai Pushpani Krinatu.
Yeah, Bhaginyai also will fit. So he can buy it for a sister, wife, God, anybody. And there,
Right.
Mala, you can think Mala as the name of a girl instead of thinking Mala as things. Actually, let's
Mala
say
is right.
Yeah, all possibilities except for the first one.
Rugna, yes. And not even Agraja.
Agraja also is
is
okay,
also-
no?
Right. Yeah, female older sister.
Yeah,
Correct.
so everything
sister.
fits. Okay. Agrajaha.
Agraja, Agrajaya,
Agrajayai.
Agrajayai, Agrajayai, Prasadam Dadati.
Okay. Okay, I'm not sure actually myself.
Uh,
Actually,
or
Devi will be Naivedyam Anayam. Yeah. Oh, okay. Devi will come for Naivedyam Anayam. Naivedyam is Prasadam, no? So that will be Anaya Maha, right? When a verb ends with Maha,
Maha, Vayam,
Vayam. So
Vayam,
Vayam, Devyai,
Vaidhyai, Naivedyam, Anayamaha.
So that is done. Vaidyaha, Rugnayai,
Rugnayai, Aushadham,
Yachati.
Yachati.
So then Janani.
Janani,
Janani. I don't know.
Malayai, or
Yeah.
Agraja. Malayai,
Malayai,
Abhushanam, Yachati.
Abhushanam.
Upaharam dadati. Because
No,
now only
this-
two remain, right?
No,
Janani and
actually here, Bhavan, you can say Bhavan Patne Abhushanam Yachati.
Yachati. Oh, that's better, yeah.
Yeah. Don't know whether it happens in real life, but at least.
Yeah, in a virtual life it is happening. So, right.
And
Bhavan
then
Patnai, Patnai,
Patnyai.
Patnyai, Abhushanam Yachati, and we can put Janani, Mala, Malayai, Pushpani, Krinatu. No, Krinatu nahi aayega na.
No.
Nahi.
Bhavan only Pushpani. Oh, see. Oh my God, I'm confusing you and confusing myself. Bhavan is, I'm really sorry.
Krinatu.
Yeah, I'm really sorry.
Bhavan is Krinatu. That's what we began.
Oh God, now I'm myself. Okay, Bhavan, Pushpani, Krinatu, Patnyai or Devya. Devya you can't come because Devya only Naivedyam we have done. So okay, so this is very confusing for me. Saha, he, let's say Janani always gives food, right? So Janani upaharam dadati. Kasyai upaharam dadati. Janani malayai.
Malayai upaharam dadati.
Atava bhaginyai, atava agrajayai. Agrajayai, the elder born for her.
Yeah.
So Janani agrajayai upaharam dadati. So we're done, right?
And Saha is remaining. Only Saha.
Saha.
Bhaginyai, I don't know. Will it fit?
No. To his sister, he can give prasadam.
Okay. Agrajayai prasadam dadati.
Dadati. Or yeah, here now I can say Saha Patnyai Abhushanam Yachati.
Abhushanam yachati. Right.
Yeah, that makes sense. But Bhavan or Bhavati, it has to be two. For a second, I skipped my mind.
True. No. Right.
So the question we asked is Katyai for a strilinga.
Yes.
What are the
Janakah kasyai sanganakam krinati. Janakah balakayai sanganakam krinati.
Balikayai.
Sorry, balikayai sanganakam krinati.
There will be Balakaya. If it is Balakaha.
Then it should be balaka, balak, right?
Yeah, Balakaha. So it will be Balakaya, like Ramaya.
Balakaya. And here it will be yai.
Yai. And for this, I always remember this temple worship only. Ramaya Namaha, Govindaya Namaha, or Lakshmi Namaha, Sitayai Namaha. It's easier.
And Gurave Namaha, right? Gurave Namaha.
That is Gurave Namaha. Haraye Namaha.
Haraye, Haraye.
Hmm.
Okay, so Ikaranta Pullinga changes to Haraye.
Haraye.
Right.
Hmm.
Sakhi kasyai chhatram yachati. Sakhi mahilayai chhatram yachati. Putraha kasyai pushpam dadati. Putraha jananyai pushpam dadati. Shivaha kasyai upadesham dadati. Shivaha parvatyai upadesham dadati.
So now this is Napumsakalingam, Ekavachanam. It's the same form as Akaranta
Pullinga Shabda.
Pullinga. If it is an Akaranta Napumsakalingam, it will take the same form as Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. But
Aham yantraya tailam anayami. I bring oil for the machine. Vayam jivanaya bhojanam khadamaha. We eat food for living. Bhaktaha archanaya mandiram gacchati. The devotee goes to the temple for archana.
Yeah. So here, if you see, there is a purpose. Now, for living is not, it's not like giving something. It is a purpose. For what purpose?
Right.
So in that sense also, we can use the Chaturthi Vibhakti, the purpose of a action. So Yantram becomes Yantraya, Jivanam becomes Jivanaya, Archanam becomes Archanaya. Okay.
Okay. So, Sanskritasya Jnana Arjanaya Vidyalayam Gachatu.
No, the two will come only for
It will not
Bhavan
come
and
only for Bhavati and Bhavan, right?
Yeah.
But we just have Bhavati here, so will it be that?
Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's do the ones that we are sure of. Huh?
Yeah, sure. Okay. So, Aham Arogyaya.
No. Arogyaya Vyayayam
Okay.
Karotu. So it will be Bhavati Arogyaya Vyayamam Karotu. So that's clear, right?
Okay. This is for Aham.
Ekanimisha.
Jnanarjana Sanskrit Abhyasam Karomi.
Come again.
Aham Jnanarjanaya Abhyasam Karomi.
Karomi. Yeah. So that is super.
It fits there.
Yeah. But here Bhavati is wrong. Actually, Sharirasa Arogyaya Vyayayam Karotu. You tell anybody. This is an instruction.
Correct.
When we give an instruction, then it ends with to somebody.
Right. Pathatu, likhatu. Right.
Like that. So, Sharirasya of the body. This is Isya is the Sashti Vibhakti. So, Sharirasya Arogyaya Vyayamam Karotu. So, do exercise for the body's fitness or health, whatever.
Health, right.
You have any questions, Maude? I hope I didn't confuse you.
No. I think even I figured out the way you are saying, right? The ending word you should look out for. It's easier to figure it out that way. In fact, there are two places where aham I can see could be used, right? And with the Jnana Arjanam, even the last one, Granthalayam Gachami. So both are, you can use any one, Abhyasam Karomi or Granthalayam Gachami.
Yes.
For aham, right?
Yes.
So we will have to figure out for the rest. No, I'm able to understand, Mahoday. You're very clear. It's not that.
Okay.
So
Yes.
Arjunaha Yuddham. So Yuddhaya Nischayam Karoti. Right? Yeah.
Nishchayam Karoti.
No,
Correct. I think. Yeah, because
decided
there is
on
no other ending. No, there is no other ending.
Yuge
Because
Sambhavati, but that doesn't make sense, no?
that is for Vishnu.
Yeah,
That is for
that's also Arjuna, it doesn't make any sense to
so
say that.
Arjuna, yeah. So Nishchayam Karoti, and he will obviously do Yuddham only. So Arjuna Yuddhaya Nishchayam Karoti. Okay, fine. So then Vishnu
Dharma Sansthapanaya
hmm,
Yuge Yuge Sambhavati.
Sambhavati Sam. Then Sharirasya Arogyaya Vyayamam Karotu. That's also over. Now
Bhavati.
Samskritasya and yeah, Bhavati. Bhavati will be yeah, there's only one left. No, Vidyalayam Gachatu.
Mahoday, that's true, right? I think Sanskritasya Adhyayaya
Hmm. Adhyayanaya.
Adhyayanaya
Hmm.
Adhyayanaya
Hmm.
Sanskritasya Adhyayanaya
Hmm.
Abhyas, but Abhyasam Karomi also can be done, right? It can be because it's a sentence by in itself,
Correct. You can say
right?
Grantalayam Gachami, Abhyasam
Ah,
Karomi. Yeah, you can say. That makes sense.
and only Bhavati, what did she do?
Yeah, Bhavati Vidyalayam Gachatu. No, it's an instruction. Bhavati, we are telling to a lady. You
But what is the word? Vardhanam,
yeah,
Vardhanam,
Adhyayanaya, na? Adhyayanaya self-study.
Adhyayana. Both. So it can be used for Sanskritasya and Bhavati.
You can say Jnanarjanaya also.
Correct. Bhavati Gnana Arjanaya Vidyalayam Gachatu.
Yeah,
Correct?
or see, Jnanarjanaya is to collect knowledge. Adhyayanam is self-study, okay?
Correct.
So, collect knowledge will happen from a library or from a school.
Or from a school. True.
So, Jnanarjanaya Grantalayam Gachami
Alaya
or
Gachami. No,
Adhyayanarjanaya.
but it cannot be Gachami Mahoday because it is Gachami is first. No, me, Aham. She is
Yeah, Aham
Bhavati.
only I am telling. I am telling,
Oh,
okay.
Aham.
I am talking about Aham only because there are two me's, no?
Correct.
So, okay.
We can use it either which ways,
Yeah,
right?
as long as the sentence makes sense. It's okay.
Yeah.
Grammatically and meaningfully, I mean.
Yes, I agree. So both
Yeah.
it could be Adhyayan and Jnanarjanam, right? For
Yes. Yeah. Bhavati
for
Jnanarjanaya Grantalayam, I mean, Vidyalayam Gachatu. Or
Vidyalayam.
Bhavati Adhyayanaya Vidyalayam Gachatu.
Or Bhavati Arogya
Arogyaya Vyayamam Karotu.
Karotu. Both can fit, right?
Yeah, it can fit, but here Sharirasa is even more better option for Arogya. For the body's sake, for the
Of
body's
course.
health, do exercise.
Right. That fits better, but
Yeah.
we can also order her to go and work out.
Yeah, that also is fine. There is no person here because it's just an instruction. Karotu. Sharirasa. There is no first person here.
Right. So they are not
Okay.
specifying.
Yes, yes. Okay. Kasmai. It's the same question. We'll ask for a Napunsakalinga word. Aham kasmai tailam anayami. Patatu Mahoday.
Aham kasmai tailam anayami. Aham yantraya tailam anayami. Where these double words are there, right? My tongue is twisting.
Yeah, yeah.
Vayam kasmai bhojanam khadamah. Vayam जीवनाय भोजनं खादामः भक्तः कस्मै मन्दिरं गच्छति भक्तः अर्चनाय मन्दिरं गच्छति So kasmai question remains same for both all three. The question always remains
For both Pullinga and Napunsakalinga, it is kasmai. For Strilinga, it is kasyai. Yeah. So Sri Krishna teaches Bhagavad Gita for Arjuna. Sri Krishna.
Hmm. So, Shri Krishna,
Hmm.
we will convert here, teaches, right?
Yeah, you can say first for Arjuna. So Arjuna, yeah.
Acha, Arjunaya,
Hmm.
Shri Krishna,
Teaches is
Bhagavad
Patayati or Bodhayati.
Pathayati.
Hmm.
So,
Usually this kind of teaching will be Bodhayati, no? Because it's deep science.
Bodhayati.
So yeah, mostly it will be that.
So, Shri Krishna,
Krishna.
Arjunaya, Bhagavad Gita, Bodhayati.
Is it Bhagavad Gita? What is the teaching?
Gita, yeah, no.
No, what is he teaching?
Bhagavad Gita, right?
Bhagavad Gita. So that becomes the object. If it is the
So,
object, which vibhakti we have to use?
Dvitiya Vibhakti, na?
Dvitiya vibhakti.
Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita. So Shri Krishna Arjunaya Bhagavad Gita Bodhayati.
Bodhayati. Bhagavad Gita, Bodhayati.
Ah,
So, they
Shri
change to
Krishna.
Parthaya, is it?
Yeah, doesn't matter. Parthaya Bhagavad Gita Prati Bodhayati. Varuna gives Gandiva for Arjuna. Another Arjuna here.
Gandiva, so one minute.
Hmm.
For Arjuna, Arjunaya or Parthaya, Varuna,
Varunaha.
Varunaha, Arjunaya,
Ha.
Gandivam, Gandivam only, right?
Correct. Gandivam.
Dadatu.
Dadati. Why dadatu?
Dadati.
If you it is a
Dadati,
mistake.
he's taking it. Yeah, I'm not asking him to take it. Dadati.
Dadati. I'm not telling him take it. Yeah, correct.
Right. You are
Or
not
I'm
asking him to take it. You are giving it to him.
correct.
Right?
Varunaha. Yeah. So that's what you
Varunaha
said.
Arjunaya Gandivam Dadati.
Please keep water for the bird in the summer.
So bird will be
Bird will be, you can
Kagaya.
say, huh?
Kagaya? No.
Kaga. You can say kagaha, vihagaha, pakshi. Many words are there. Kagaha is
So
an easy word. You can say kagaya. If it is
because
pakshi, it
that
will
will
be
be
pakshi.
masculine, and when we say Pakshi, will it become will it be Pullinga or Strilinga?
Pakshi, yeah. Let's see.
Because it will change the thing, right? Then
Yeah, let's see whether pakshi is napumsakam or strilingam. What is it? Let's see. So there is pakshini, pakshinaha, paksha, pakshi. Yeah, pakshi is ikaranta pullinga. There is paksha, vihagaha, pakshinaha is male, pakshini is female. You can use any word you want actually.
so we'll go with Khaga only.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah. Pakshi is a masculine word. The Haswai, not the Dirgai.
Dirghaiya Pakshi.
Yeah.
So
Did I close the slideshow? Huh?
yes.
Did I close it? Yeah, I just closed it. Where did I go?
So Pakshi is Ikaranta Pullinga Shabdaha.
We didn't learn Ikaranta Pullinga. I mean, I just told you that Pakshi will become Pakshaye maybe.
Okay, then we will go with Khaga only, right?
Yeah,
Because
Kaga
there
or
will be
Vihagaha, anything is fine.
So Khagaya will
Kaga.
become Khaga to begin with. That's a very nice trick actually. For the bird, the moment you identify that, you are able to add the correct thing to it, right?
Yes.
Vibhakti to it, attach it immediately.
Yes.
So Khagaya, water jalam.
Yes.
So please is kripaya.
Correct.
Jalam. Keep is sthapaya.
Sthapayatu.
Sthapayatu. And summer is ush.
Grishmakalah.
Grishmakalaha. So Krupaya Jalam
Hmm.
Khagaya
Hmm.
स्थापयत् स्थापयतु ग्रीष्मकालः
Hmm.
और ग्रीष्मकालः कृपया
Hmm.
कृपा कृपयः how will it be
Kripaya.
कृपाय
Kripaya.
कृपया
Hmm.
ग्रीष्मकाले
Hmm.
खगाय जलं
Hmm.
स्थापयतु
Hmm.
और
Grishmakale
ददातु
is what vibhakti?
ग्रीष्मकाले time right so fourth vibhakti no fifth vibhakti right I'm sorry
No problem. Saptami vibhakti. Seventh. So
Saptama vibhakti
time or location will be Saptami. Seventh.
right okay
Kripaya Grishmakale Vibhagaya Jalam Sthapayatu.
jalam स्थापयतु so rest was correct only
Yeah.
they use instead of khagaya they use vihagaya
No, the whole sentence you said was correct only.
give arghya to surya in the morning
Hmm.
suryaya
Hmm.
arghyam
Argyam.
dadatu प्रातः काले
Pratap.
सूर्याम् अर्घ्यां ददातु
Suryaya.
सूर्याय
Hmm.
अर्घ्यां ददातु
Dadatu. That's sorry. Pratakale Suryaya Argyam Dadatu. Samyak. I buy
I buy
cloth for
curtain so curtain is जीवनिका
Javanika.
जवनिका
Hmm.
जवनिकाय
Javanika. That is a Akaranta Strilinga.
अकारांत स्त्रीलिंग
Hmm.
so जवनिकायै वस्त्रं
Hmm.
आनयतु आनयामि
By is Kri Dhatu. So
क्रीडा
Krilinga will.
क्रीडतु क्रीड no
So Aham is there. If Aham is there, the ending will be
me
me. So Krinami.
क्रीणामि
Hmm.
oh क्रीणामि
Aham.
is the word right आनयामि will not work here क्रीणामि
Anayami is bring.
to bring हाँ
By specifically we have a verb, no? Kri is the verb. Kri Dhatu.
right so क्रीणामि अहं
Hmm.
जवनिकाय
Yai.
जवनिकायै
Hmm.
वस्त्रं
Was.
क्रीणामि
Samyak. Anjaneya gives Rama's ring for Sita.
सीतायै to
Sita.
begin with
Yai. Hmm.
right then रामः what is a ring
Anguliyakam. Anguliyakam.
अंगुलीयकं
Hmm.
सीतायै
Hmm.
no so Anjaneya will be
Anjaneya only. Name only.
Anjaneya but gives the dhatu
Ha. Ha.
so we can put it as Ramah
Hmm.
Sitayai no but Ramah I forget the word for the ring is
Anguliyakam.
Anguliyakam
Hmm.
Anjaneyah
Hmm.
Dadatu Sita no how does this arrange itself grammatically
No, order doesn't matter at all. Something as far as Sanskritam matters,
Sitayai
order doesn't make it say anything. I mean, you can
Si-
say Ramah Sitam Pashyati, Pashyati Ramam Sita, Sita Ramam Pashyati, or any form, it doesn't matter. As long as, the meaning doesn't change if two words are not close by. Sometimes the meaning changes, but 99.99% of the time, the order actually doesn't matter.
okay
So
so
that you can tell any,
Ramah
as long as you're using the correct vibhakti, that's all we're saying here.
so will that work? What we just said, Sita, Ramah, Anjaneyah,
Why you're saying
Anjaneya.
Ramaha? Ramaha is Pratama vibhakti, no?
No, sorry.
Here it
No,
is
no.
Rama's. So,
Rama.
which Rama's ring? So there is a relationship between the Rama and his ring, right? That what
Right.
is the relationship? It's a possessive form. It's just his ring. Whose ring is it? My son is playing with something. Rama's ring. So that will be, we have to use the Sashti Vibhakti, the sixth Vibhakti.
So
So it
Ramaya.
will be Ramasya.
Sorry, Ramasya.
Ramasya. So Ramasya Anguliyakam.
Ramasya Anguliyakam Sitayai Anjaneya
Anjaneyaha
Anjaneyaha Dadatu.
Dadati. Why Dadatu? You are
Dadati,
telling
Dadati.
that.
Same. No, we are not asking him, we are giving it to him.
Yeah.
Anjali.
So
Anjali.
Anjaneyaha. You want to try tell full thing?
Yes.
Anjaneyaha Sitayai. You can translate into your mother tongue, no?
Local
Whatever.
mother tongue.
Yeah. And then you can say it if you want. In your mind, you can sing in your mother tongue. So you are trying to say in your mother tongue, Anjaneya is giving Rama's ring to Sita. How will you say in your mother tongue? And then you translate into Sanskrit. Then the order and the vibhakti will be perfect. Most of the times again.
Anjaneya, Anjaneyaha. No, Anjaneya.
Anjaneyaha.
Anjaneyaha. Angush. I forget the word again.
Anguliyakam.
That is the least used word, I think.
Yeah.
Others.
Such a difficult word also.
Huh?
Such a difficult word also.
Right.
I mean, tongue twister.
It's a tongue twister.
Yeah.
Anguliyakam. Ramasya Sitayai Dadatu.
So in your mother tongue, you will say
Dadati.
No, that's okay. In your mother tongue, you say Rama's ring or ring Rama's?
Ramni.
No, I'm asking in the order. Will you say in your mother tongue Rama's ring or ring Rama's? In your mother tongue, the word. Does ring come first or Rama's come first?
It is interchangeable, but we will typically use Ramni Viti, Rame Viti. So Rame, so Ram first.
So first Ram. So that's the sentence that is how it should be formed, no? So Anjaneyaha Ramasya Anguliyakam Sitaye Dadati.
Oh.
Yeah.
Anjaneyaha Sitayai Ramasya Anguliyakam Dadati.
Now, if you put this Ramasya in front of Anjaneya, it will be a little confusing.
For us, we will have Ram before the Angulika or the ring.
Because then like Ramasya, what? Ramas, what is it? Ramas Sita, no, it is fourth vibhakti.
Correct.
Then Ramas Hanumana, then he's like Ramas Hanuman, what's happening then? So
right.
These two have to be together.
Correct. That is what I was not able to figure it out in my mind, because if you put it any other way, it was not fitting. The ring and Ram had to go together. Hanumanji
the rest can be anyway.
Anyway, right.
Yeah. That's the thing. That is why it is Sambandha. That Vibhakti, purpose of that Sashti Vibhakti itself is Sambandha. It is having a relationship with something. So
actually, what it has a relationship with should follow immediately. Then only I think it makes sense.
Yes. Okay. He brings sweets for his wife.
Patnyai.
Patnyai. Saha.
Patnyai. Saha. Mishtana. Is it okay?
Mishtana. Yeah. You can say
Mishtana. Anayati.
Anayati.
Anayatu.
Anayati.
Anayati.
Two is when you give an instruction to somebody.
Instruction, right? He brought it. Okay. Yeah. So, Saha Patnyai Madhurani Anayati.
Madhuram is also sweet. But why is it not Madhuram but Madhurani?
Because many.
Yeah, that's why. So Mishtannam, if you are using, then it should be Mishtani.
Mishtani. Okay. Anayati.
Bhima, Bhima brings Saugandhika flowers for Draupadi.
So, Draupadyai,
Bhimaha,
Bhimaha,
hmm,
Draupadyai,
hmm,
Sugandhika, Pushpam. Is it Sugandhika? Will remain Sugandhika?
yeah, that's a name, no? So,
Sugandhika,
hmm,
Pushpam,
hmm.
Anayati.
Anayati. Saugandhika Pushpani.
Pushpani, flowers. So, Pushpani.
Bhimaha Saugandhika Pushpani Draupadyai Anayati. It's not necessary to say Pushpani, you can directly say Saugandhika. Like you can say, like if you say Kamalam, it is, you don't have to say Kamala Pushpani, right? You can say
Pushpani.
Kamala.
It is understood.
Yeah, you can say Kamalani also, like that. You give water for the plant. So now it's a direct instruction, no?
Right.
Bhavan or Bhavati, whoever you're
So,
talking to.
right.
Hmm.
So, we can say Bhavan or Tvam we can't say, right?
Yeah, you can say Tvam also, doesn't matter.
Okay. So, Bhavan, Pushpam. No,
No,
Pushpam
water.
for the plant, right?
The word
So,
for plant is Sasyam, like our level Sasyam.
yeah, Sasyam. For the plant will become Sasyai. No?
Sasyaya, just like Pullinga Shubda.
Sasyaya. Sasyaya dadatu.
Kim dadatu? Jalam dadatu.
Bhavan
What you have to
Sasya
give?
Jalam dadatu.
See, Sasyam is the Napumsakalingam, right? So it will be the same form as the Pullinga. It will be
as a Pullinga, Sasyaya.
Sasyaya, yes.
Bhavan Sasyaya Jalam dadatu. Dadatu.
Dadatu. He does yoga for health. Now it is purpose. Arogyam.
So we did that, right? Arogyaya. He. Saha. Arogyaya. Vyayam.
Here it says yoga, not exercise.
Oh, yoga. Okay. Yoga. Yogam. Karotu. Karoti.
Karoti. It's not an instruction. He does it.
Again, yeah, he's doing it. He does it, right? So, okay. Saha arogyaya yogasanam karoti.
Samyak. The patient goes to the hospital for medicine.
Aushadayam.
Aushadaya.
Aushadaha and Aushadaya, right?
Aushadam becomes Aushadaya.
It is Napunsakaligam which converts to the same. So Aushadaya. Rugnaha. Rugnalayam.
Rugnalayam? Is there a word called Rugnalayam? I know Vaidyahalaya.
Okay, we have Rugnalayam, but okay, maybe it's not there in Sanskrit. I'm not sure.
Really, Rugnalaya is there?
Yeah, we have Rugnalayam.
Really? I'm really interested.
Not hospitable. Not hospitable. Hospital.
Oh God, did I say hospital? Hospital. Hospital. Let's see. Rugnalaya. Mano Rugnalaya, mental hospital. My God. Chikitsalaya. Okay. Aturalaya, Beshajalaya.
So
Chikitsalaya.
seems commonly uses Chikitsalaya,
Yeah,
but we have
Chikitsals.
Rugnalaya.
It must be there then. But the word sounds a little sad, I feel. It's like a place filled with diseased people, isn't it?
So Chikitsalaya, okay.
Chikitsala is at least a positive note.
Yeah,
I
it sounds
feel.
more like a clinic. Okay.
Yeah. Like, okay, some medicines will be given, don't worry, like that.
Chikitsalaya.
So, Rugnaha, Aushadaya, Chikitsa.
Rugnalaya. Chikitsalaya.
Hmm.
What is it? He goes, right?
Hmm.
He goes. Gachati.
Yeah, but yeah,
Rugnaha
Hmm.
Aushadhaya
Hmm.
Chikitsalayam
Hmm.
Gachati.
Yeah, you said Chikitsalayam. Hmm. First you said Chikitsalayah. Now you said
But
Chikitsalayam.
Chikitsalaya. Yeah.
Why did you change it?
Because it doesn't feel right. I think over a period of time, you do it just fits, right? So even there in the before for one feminine gender, where did I use it wrong? And then you corrected me.
Hmm.
But it doesn't feel right. And Chikitsalayam is because is related to a location.
Yeah. So when there is
Location. Located.
Gachati Dhatu, when there is a movement verb, the place where the person goes will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. That's a grammar rule.
Right.
But the first point that you said that it doesn't feel right, it doesn't sound right, that is the basis of language itself. So that is what we have to develop. But then when I ask you why it is also, we have to be able to tell the grammatical
Able to
rule
tell.
also.
Right.
So when there is a gum dhatu, then the location becomes in the second vibhakti. You can ask me, you have always said location means seventh vibhakti. Why are you changing to second vibhakti here?
Second vibhakti.
But there's a grammar rule which says if there is a movement here in the verb, then
that's okay. I'll just write it down. 1 minute.
You didn't ask me, no? Whenever
No,
there
I
is
didn't. And that is why there is always a confusion if between second and seventh. No,
yeah.
Where
So
is it?
you can have confusion with second and sixth vibhakti, not sixth. Second and four, second and six, second and seven, I mean. 1 minute here. Yeah. So Pratak Kale, Grishma Kale and all is in seventh vibhakti. Time and location, we always say seventh vibhakti. But here we are not saying Chikitsalaye. Why we are saying Chikitsalayam? Because there is a Gachati Dhatu.
Got it. No, I wrote it down. Where there is a movement, it is always second vibhakti as per grammar rules, right?
Yes. You can write this example for reference.
Yeah. Aushadhaya. Chikit.
And compress, keep a paper here. The paper is the circle bookshelf left there. On the small circle bookshelf paper inga irukku, but the circles are on the bookshelf. We give donations for the temple.
So that will be Vayam, right? No.
Vayam. Correct. Vayam.
Vayam. So Danam will be the word, right?
Dadati, just give, no? We have used give many times. Just plain Dadati. But it is Vayam. So it will be Dadmaha. That is just, it will not be Dadamaha. It will be, since it's a Visheshana, special verb.
Yeah.
Vishesha.
Kriyapadani.
Kriyapadam. Padaha. Padam or Padam? It is,
Padani.
no. Padam, no, I want to know whether Padam is Napumsakalingam or a Pulingam word. Whether the word Pada is a Napumsakalingam word. So Padam. So it is a Vishesha Padam. Yeah. Where is it? Oh God. So,
Yeah.
Vayam. So that is the root, right? So it will not be dadami, it will not be dadati. What it will be? Because Vayam is
Dadamaha.
there. It cannot be dadamaha. It is a special verb like karomi. It is kurmaha. It is not karomaha. It is
Oh, okay. That's why
kurmaha.
you are saying it's Dadmaha.
It is dadmaha. It's a special. It is a different kind of verb. So
Verb.
vayam dadmaha. Tasmai dadmaha. For whom we are giving
Mandiraya.
mandiraya. Vayam mandiraya dadmaha. Kim dadmaha. What are we giving? Kim
So what is
dadmaha.
the donations? Dakshina?
Dakshina. So
But this is donations.
yeah. So
So it will.
dakshina will become, that is
So
a akaranta strilinga shabda, right? Like Sita.
okay.
So Sita,
So
Site, Sitaha,
people.
Sitam, Site, Sitaha. What are we giving?
Dakshina, no? So
Dakshina. Because we are asking what are we giving and we are getting one answer, that answer is the object. Because it is the object, it has to be in which vibhakti?
third vibhakti, second
Yeah,
vibhakti.
second
Oh,
vibhakti.
third, sorry,
Second.
second vibhakti, right?
It has to be in second vibhakti. Whenever uh, we are asking the question to the verb, what is being given, and you get an answer, that answer will always be the object of the sentence and it will be in the second vibhakti.
Hmm.
Okay. So, and here it is in plural.
Ah. So what will it be? You'll have to help me here.
No, that's what I'm going to show it to you. See, Sita, Sita, because Dakshina is a akaranta strilinga shabda like Sita, I'm showing you this table. So Sita, Sita, Sita has Prathama Vibhakti. In Dvitiya Vibhakti, it is Sitam. So Dakshina will become Dakshina. But it is not one donation, it's many donations. So
Donations.
Sitaha. So it will be
Dakshinaha.
Dakshinaha. Yeah. So Vayam Mandiraya Dakshinam Dadmaha.
So why it became Dakshina? Dakshinaha we saw, right?
It has to be Dakshinaha only. I don't, should not be Dakshin. It is here, it is just one that they've said. Here they are saying only
Ah,
one. It's many donations, so it should be
right.
Dakshinaha.
So Dakshinaha is correct only, right?
Yes. Absolutely
Okay.
correct.
Vayam mandiraya dakshinaha dadati.
Yeah.
Dadma.
Dadmaha, like Kurmaha. Okay. Subhashitani. To give an example for the usage of the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Patatu Mahodaya.
विद्या विवादाय धनं मदाय शक्तिः परेषां परिपीडनाय खलस्य साधोः विपरीतमेतत् ज्ञानाय दानाय च रक्षणाय.
So there's lot of Chaturthi Vibhakti. Aya.
Correct.
Vidya for a kalaha. What is a kalaha?
What is it?
What is the meaning of kalaha? A bad person, a mischievous person.
Ha, kalah.
Kalasya for a kalaha. Isya is for a, or of a kalaha. The vidya, the knowledge that he has is for what? Not for using it properly, but for vivada. What purpose? For vivada.
Power for oppressing others. Honest one use it for knowledge, charity, and protecting others. Okay. Khalasya. So a bad person will use knowledge to argue and money to do intoxication or drink. Bhagini, Mahodaye. I lost you there, so.
Yeah, I think my power went off or something. The net must have gone down. Okay. So, for a bad person, the knowledge is not for helping others, or not helping
Arguments.
others. It is only for arguments, not for using it properly. It is only for vivadam samvada, for arguments. And the wealth that he has is for, I am big
Intoxication or
person,
drinking.
drinking, or I am big person, like that. And the Shakti, the power that he has is for troubling others, not for helping others. And the
Right.
same thing for a sadhu, for a sadhu, it is viparitam, it is opposite.
Opposite.
The vidya is for Nanaya, the dhanam is for Danaya, Shakti is for Rakshanaya.
Rakshana. Beautiful.
Yeah, seriously. The vidya is for knowledge, the wealth is for charity, and the power is for protecting others. That is what. This is an example of iron.
Beautifully, very nice. I like Sanskrit Subhashitani. They were nice.
Yeah, seriously.
Simple and yet so well said, right?
Sometimes it's so obvious, but then when stated like this, it's really nice.
Correct, it's really nice.
Yeah, so then we have learned yadi tarhi. Remember, yadi tarhi is if then. So yadi aham dhanam sampadayami, tarhi vastrani kridami. If I get earn money, then I will buy clothes. Like that. This is another way of chet, is another way of saying if. So you can read this now again.
Okay. Buksha asti chet bhojanam karotu. Oh, okay, it makes sense.
Bubuksha asti chet bhojanam karotu. If there is hunger, eat food. If you have, it is not even you have. If there is hunger, actually, that's the literal translation. Then bhojanam karotu, eat food. Patatu.
ग्रीष्मकालः अस्ति चेत् ग्रीष्मकालः अस्ति चेत् व्यजनं चालयामि. If it is summer, I will run the fan.
I'll operate the fan.
सायंकालः भवति चेत् बालकाः क्रीडन्ति.
If it is
evening, children play.
So the opposite, there is an opposite for this. That is the no chet. If not.
Oh, no chet, is it?
Yeah, no chet. No chet.
Okay.
Sounds cute, no?
Really?
So, Shigram agachatu, no chet, lokayanam. No chet is actually otherwise, or if not. Mostly no, otherwise. Lokayanam nishkramanam karoti. Come soon, otherwise the bus will leave.
Oh, if not, the bus will leave.
What the bus is leaving. Padatu unke.
Dhanam asti chet danam karotu. No chet mastu. If you have money, give donations, otherwise don't. Griha karyam asti chet saha patati. No chet kridati. If there is homework, he studies. If not, he plays. Oh, very
He
sweet it
plays.
sounds.
Yeah. Let's see if there are some more examples. Some more examples on this website. एवं चेत परीक्षायां किं करोति? At this rate, how are you going to face the exam? एवं चेत, in this manner, at this rate.
Oh, okay.
त्वं प्रयतिष्यसि चेत् वर्धिष्यसि. If you try, you will improve. That ishya is what tense. It is the lirit. It is the future tense. That ishya.
Okay. Yeah. Lit lakara.
See, lirit.
Lirit.
Rotika. Lirit. Rotika asti chet samichinam bhavishyati. If there is some bread, it will be good.
Oh.
Like that. That's good. Okay. So then, from here it is just past class revision only. You wanted to know the list of questions, right?
Yes.
So, where are the questions here? So, kaha ka kim is he, who.
He,
So,
she,
kaha is what?
and what?
This is actually what? All of this is who or what? Girl who, boy who, and
and
it
object.
who. Which is what? Va. So at any sentence you add va, it becomes a question.
It
Bhavati
becomes a question.
dhruva va, then you say aham dhruva.
So there is no chinna in Sanskrit of question mark.
No.
Just va is sufficient to say, and it will convert it to
question. That is how it is in my in Tamil. We just end it with a, it becomes a question. I don't know how it is in Gujarati. Not sure. So kim is what again? Kati is how many? Kada is when. Putra is where. So Putra is what you will ask for the seventh vibhakti. Putra is
location.
Location, correct. Kasya kasyaha is only the Sashti vibhakti, the relationship. We saw no Ramasya Anguliyakam. Balakasya. In Srilinga it will be Balikayaha, Nadyaha. Kena Kaya is Tritiya vibhakti, the instrument. With who? With what did you eat? Kena Kadati. Chamasena Kadami. Kasmai Kasya is what we saw today. For whom?
So Kaya, Kena is and Kaya is for
Strilinga.
Strilinga. Kena is for Pullinga. Kaya is for Strilinga.
Yes. So what does each vibhakti say? That's what you're saying. Kaha ke is the Prathama vibhakti. Karta is the doer. Kam kan is the karma padam, the object. I said no, every time that you ask the question to the verb and you get an answer, that is the object, and that object will always be in Dvitiya vibhakti.
But we also said this thing, right? That where there is a movement, it as per grammar rule, it will always be
the location will be in the Dvitiya vibhakti.
Second vibhakti. So if I'm saying aham ramam pashyami, then it is not moving, right? I am just seeing Rama. So
what are you seeing?
Rama.
So Rama is what? The object of the sentence. So
right.
what you have to ask the question to the verb. What are you seeing? you will get one answer. That answer will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Hmm.
Dvitiya Vibhakti always see this is the basic. You have to ask question to the verb. What are you seeing? What are you eating? What are you reading? So if I say I'm reading Bhagavad Gita, then I have to say, I cannot say Bhagavad Gita. I have to say it in Dvitiya Vibhakti, which is Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita. Okay.
That movement verb is just an additional grammatical rule. The main
Grammatical
rule
thing.
for the main rule for Dvitiya Vibhakti is you have to ask question to the verb, and if whatever answer you give, that will be in the second Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti. Third one is Kena Kaihi, the Upakaranam, the instrument that you use. Okay. Tasmai, today's class we learned for whom, for what. Danaya, Ramaya, next. Tasya Kesham is the sixth Shashti Sambandha, like Ramasya,
Ramasya Patni.
Krishnasya Janakaha, Vasudevaha, Balaramasya Janakaha, Vasudevaha. Then Putra, Putra is the Sthalam, it's the place like Rame, which is the substantive. Same thing has been explained again. See, Rama, this second vibhakti will be to Rama. Rama as the object. The third vibhakti by Rama with Rama. Ramaya will be for Rama. Ramasya will be of Rama. And Rame will be in or on Rama. So these preposition comes, then you have to use the correct vibhakti for it to make sense. I mean, you know all this. So Ram, Ram ko, Ram se, Ram ko, Ram ke liye.
So fourth and second sound similar, but they are not.
So this second will be always you ask the question to the object, to the verb.
Object.
What are you eating? Then you get one answer, dosa. So then the dosa will be in the Dvitiya Vibhakti, which will become dosam. For the
Dosa.
Dvitiya Vibhakti, always ask question to the verb. What are you reading? Then you get one word, Ramayanam. Then it will become Ramayanam. It will be
So
Dvitiya Vibhakti.
where are you going?
Hmm.
Then it will become Karyalayam.
Where are you going? Karyalayam gachami.
Gachami. Or yeah, where are you going? Then with the kosha, with the kosham.
With the kosham gachami. The kosham. There also Dvitiya Vibhakti will come. That is just, you want some? That is just an extra, just a second. This is just an extra rule. The main rule is you have to ask the verb the question. What are you eating? What are you saying? Like that. So the third vibhakti is Ram se. Fourth will be Ram ko. And fifth will be Sambandha is sixth vibhakti, and Saptami will be Rame, Rampe. This you say it will be more easier. You can see the English prepositions also. You can see the Hindi prepositions also. Just to get more clarity. Kannada Bhashayam, Tamil Bhashayam, Gujarati Bhashayam. I can't read this. I don't know.
No, that's okay. I can read, but
This slide you can see.
Mara Ram Vade, barabar. Ram ne mate. Okay, here actually between the second and the third, it's clarifying very well. Ram ne, whom are you seeing? I am seeing Ram, and the third one is for whom. So, whom are you taking this for? So, for Rama, I am taking it for Rama. Ram ne mate.
That's what I'm trying to say. So the same thing in English I'm trying to say, that you ask the verb the question.
Correct.
That's what. So see, now only when we read it in our language, you are able to understand it better. Whatever you say.
It's true.
Yeah, this is in Marathi. You know Marathi also, so you can see this also.
Yes.
Malayalam and all, they've not done. Yeah. So see, for this is Ikara, Akara, the Strilinga. Sita, Sita, Sita. You can see this later. But this table we have to remember. Huh? The last class
Yeah.
I showed you this table.
Yes.
So those are we have to remember. Where is that? Here. So this we have to remember. These tables. There are more tables here. See, Ikaranta Haraye is here. Can you see?
This is in the
Haraye?
current slide, Mahoday.
This is 27th class.
27th class. Huh?
Yeah, you can see 27. Everything is given there in 27th class. All the words.
One minute. Just let.
I'll continue, Mahoday.
Yes, Mahoday.
Yeah, so then this is so Patati is Ekavachanam in Pratama Purushaha. Bahuvachanam will be Patanti. Uttama Purushaha. Uttama Purushaha will be Patami. Bahuvachanam will be Patamaha. The other forms also we learned.
Yes, we learned those. Yes.
This is Lat Lakaraha. The same one in Lirit will be you will add Ishya. In future tense, Bhavishyat Kale will be Patishya you will add between the Dhatu and the Ti and the Pratyaya.
And in there is lung lakara. I don't know why I say lung, and lat is past.
Lat is present.
Lat is present. Lung is past.
Past. And Lirit is
Lirit
is future.
Is future. So this is Patishyati is future.
Yes.
Hmm.
So this
Then
is Lat. Vartamana Kale is Lat.
Lat.
Yeah. Bhavishyat
And
Kale is Lit.
And lung lakara. This
Lung
is a
is
tongue
past.
twister.
Lung is past.
So how would we say that? How will we say those same words for this? Like
So this
instead of
Patati will become Apatat. Patanti will become Apatan. Patami will become Apatam. Patamaha will become Apatama.
Apatam.
We learned all that. Those tables are there in the slides. You can write down. All about tables, lot of tables. So this is Bhavan Bhavati. Patatu is for Ekavachanam. Bahuvachanam it is Patan. The class,
No.
Mahoday, any other
Yes.
questions?
No, we are good for today.
Discuss. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kashchid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you, Mahoday.
Thank you. It was such a wonderful session, and really, I'm very happy to learn with you. You're so patient.
That's okay. I mean, that's how we learn, right? Otherwise, how we learn?
Hi. What's your name?
Did I stop the recording?